The hair has shrunken.
Action. It's gross.
We're starting to think it's not meant to be. She does not like deer. I love her. Look at this pole. This is the most dangerous thing I've ever done. But it's not dangerous because we're on the side of the road, but still. Gotta clean my room. As you can see, it's like a huge mess. My room is always clean. Let me just make that clear. It's always clean. It's just sometimes I get into this slump and then it ends up looking like this. I'm just gonna take my vitamins. I take these vitamins. I don't want to take the pills because why would you take the pills if you could take the gummies? My glasses on.
Oh my god, beautiful!
No glasses.
Bruh.
Guys, you're on the Mac cam. Oh, this is Jake from Enhypen. I like this lock screen because people always think it's my man. Literally, they always like, is that your man? And I'm like, yeah. I'm joking, I don't say that. New phone cover, how cute. I wanted to give you guys some life updates. I'm an au pair in case you couldn't tell. So I've been now in America for now 5 months, this being the 5th one. My first month I was with the family in Colorado, but that didn't work out, so I had to move and find a new family. So your girl was adjusting. That's why like there was no vlogs being uploaded. Like I had just come to this house and I was still new at the other house as well. So it was just a lot. Like I can't be vlogging. These people don't know me like that. Like next thing I'm busy here filming, you know, it's gonna be weird. So I took my time and now I'm finally like almost adjusted into this new home that I'm in. And I want to start vlogging again because I really miss vlogging. I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers. She's also an au pair. She was just saying she also wasn't uploading, and I'm like, I get it. It's my sister. She was telling her viewers, you barely get time to do that. Like by the time like you have free time, you're tired, you want to rest, you're not thinking about taking videos. You literally, that was me for the past 5 months. I was not about to do all that, but I want to make time for it because it's something that I really enjoy doing and it's something I really want to do, like this YouTube stuff. Also, your girl got her first PR package. PR? Like what? They contacted me, guys. They work with K-pop idols, so like it's serious stuff. It's not kids play. And yeah, guys, that's all I have to say. You guys know I don't speak too much in my vlogs. I don't want to bore you guys. I want to first like build an audience. I feel like the more my audience gets bigger, the more I'll speak more in my videos, you know. For right now, like I'm trying to get people to actually watch the videos, and I feel like if I speak too much, like you guys are not really interested in all that. But let me know if you are. Maybe you are. Let me know. Hey vlog, the hair has shrunken. That's why I look like this, but it's actually kind of cute. I just sprayed some water on it. I'm with Des and we're going on our bike ride. It's gonna be great. We're excited. And guys, your girl hasn't been on a bike since like 2017. It's been a while, so I'm nervous. I did practice a little bit the other day, but like it doesn't count. Like I just went down the street, which is so close. Bike outfit is just black tights, a fancy pack. Let me wear it on the outside. This is where I'm gonna put my phone. My forehead is so big. Who do this pole? There are the bikes. She's been trying to post this picture for like 20 minutes.
But this one, right?
Yes.
This one.
All the pictures look really nice. I'm not ready. I'm so nervous. Okay. See, I like this road because it's nice and it's straight. Like, you just keep going straight. There's. She was waiting for me because I was scared to go down that hill. I should have brought water. But it's so nerve-wracking. Like, my nerves.
Some of these roads scare me a little bit. It looks like it's gonna like be a curve and I'm gonna fly off.
We've gone down this road. And now we're here by the stop sign. Just taking a quick break so I could also vlog. The air is nice. You get used to it as you go. So it hasn't been terrifying. So I'm proud. But it is a bit scary. Not gonna lie, guys. Ah! To be. We're on the road. We just rode until here. We need to invest in some helmets, honestly. She says not to wear helmets. No, we need helmets, guys. We're gonna buy some helmets. We did it. We made it to the boba place. Kung Fu Tea. Wear a helmet when you ride. We need to get helmets. Girl, everybody wears helmets. What world are you living in? Okay, guys, we're going home. So we have to stop because we got this. It's almost like thorns, guys. She got it too. It's gross. Okay, here it comes. She does not like deer. I know the ones are pretty. Shower things like to shower. So I'm thinking instead of like having my toiletry bags, having these toiletry bags, like that's all my toiletry right there. I should just put everything in here and take this when I go shower.
Welcome punch.
So I did rinse my hair because it had gel build up in, so I had to rinse it, but I'm still gonna detangle and do a proper wash. I know I just had one, but this one popped, guys. I kind of have to eat it. I just got off because of a guest phone call with my friends. I miss my friends, I miss them so much. but we just spoke, and then I'm feeling good again. You know, every time I speak to my friends, it's just I'm happy. Des and I are going to praise dance. Praise dance is basically like worship dance. It's almost contemporary vibes. Guys, praise dance canceled. So this is the second time we tried to go to praise dance and it's canceled. So we're starting to think that it's just not meant for us. Like, we're starting to think it's not meant to be. But it's fine. We're just gonna go do something else. I just got my package. Finally, my lotion.
Where do you want to go? It was funny because
I just made another online purchase. I tried to buy something online the other day, but it just wouldn't go through. Like, I was thinking, oh, maybe this is God telling me, girl, stop. I just bought this bodysuit. I had to. I've been seeing it all day on my FYP, and I'm like, I need that bodysuit. This is why I don't like TikTok shop, guys. Like, it's so toxic. Every time I see something cute, and I keep seeing videos of it as I scroll down, I'm like, I want it. Okay, food. I haven't used Shein since I've gotten here. I haven't used it. It's my first time using it. That's a lie. That's a lie. Cut that out. That's a lie. I have used Shein. I'm gonna go wash my face, you know, do the whole night routine, and then go to sleep. Hopefully get a good 7 hours of sleep. That's the goal. I don't know when I'm gonna wash my hair. I think I should wash my hair tomorrow. That makes so much sense. Night.